Bancor DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Bancor is a decentralized finance DeFi platform designed for seamless token swaps and liquidity provision, all without the need for intermediaries. Built for crypto traders, investors, and liquidity providers, Bancor stands out for its automated market maker (AMM) model, offering single-sided staking and impermanent loss protection. The user-friendly interface makes it an excellent choice for both newcomers and experienced DeFi enthusiasts. My experience with Bancor has been centered around its unique value propositions. Most notably, impermanent loss protection, which guarantees staked assets won't lose value over time due to price fluctuations. This feature is particularly valuable in volatile markets, ensuring that users can confidently participate in liquidity pools without worrying about unexpected losses. Another highlight is single-sided staking. Unlike traditional AMMs requiring paired token deposits, Bancor allows users to stake just one token, reducing complexity and lowering the barrier to entry. This makes it a practical choice for those looking to earn rewards on their crypto holdings without needing to manage additional assets. During my usage, I found this feature streamlined the staking process significantly, allowing me to focus on optimizing returns rather than worrying about pairing strategies. Bancor's swapping mechanism is equally impressive, offering competitive rates and high liquidity. Transactions are fast, and the platform's compatibility with multiple tokens means you're not limited in your trading options. Moreover, the fee structure is transparent and competitive, which adds to the overall appeal. For security-conscious users, Bancor's emphasis on smart contract audits and robust protocol safety measures stands out. Knowing my assets were protected gave me confidence in using the platform extensively. The integration with hardware wallets also enhances security, catering to serious crypto investors. That said, Bancor isn't without its challenges. Network fees on Ethereum can sometimes eat into smaller transactions, especially during peak times. However, Bancor's continued development, including its expansion to other blockchains, aims to address this. Overall, Bancor excels as a DeFi platform for token swaps and earning passive income through liquidity provision. Whether you're an individual investor or a seasoned trader, the combination of impermanent loss protection, single-sided staking, and seamless trading makes Bancor a top-tier choice in the DeFi space. My experience has been overwhelmingly positive, and I recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly platform in the DeFi ecosystem.